Unraveling Idioms, Losing Your Marbles. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're exploring a colorful and curious expression, losing your marbles. This idiom is not only vivid in imagery but also rich in meaning. So, if you've ever wondered what it means or where it comes from, you're in the right place. Let's unravel this together. When someone says you're losing your marbles, they're not talking about misplacing small glass balls. Instead, this phrase is a playful way to suggest that someone is losing their mind or not thinking clearly. It's often used in a light-hearted or humorous context. For instance, if someone forgets why they walked into a room, you might jokingly say, "Looks like you're losing your marbles." The exact origin of losing your marbles is a bit of a mystery, but it's believed to have surfaced in the late 19th to early 20th century. Marbles, the game, was extremely popular among children during this time. The phrase likely draws a parallel between the game's small, easily lost items and the intangible qualities of mind and memory. Over time, it evolved into the idiomatic expression we know today, symbolizing the loss of one's mental faculties or the ability to think clearly. Using losing your marbles in a sentence is quite straightforward. It works best in informal settings. Here are a few examples to illustrate its use. After forgetting his password for the 10th time, Jake joked that he was losing his marbles. "My grandmother is sharp as a tack. She's definitely not losing her marbles. With all the stress at work, I feel like I'm losing my marbles." Remember, the tone when using this idiom should be light and not intended to offend or seriously criticize someone's mental state. English is rich with idioms that express a similar sentiment. Knowing them can enrich your vocabulary and understanding of the language. Here are a few. "Off one's rocker," also suggesting someone is not thinking clearly. "Not all there," implies a lack of mental sharpness or awareness. "Out to lunch," means someone is not paying attention or is absent-minded. Each of these expressions has its own unique flavor, but they all playfully hint at the idea of not being in a state of clear or rational thought. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, losing your marbles. We hope you found this dive into English idioms both informative and entertaining. Remember, language is not just about words and grammar. It's also about the colorful expressions that bring it to life. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Until next time, keep your marbles safe and your curiosity alive.